Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade and manage your iCloud storage on iPhone or iPad. If your iCloud storage is running low, there are few things you can do to make room. We will show you how to upgrade to iCloud Plus and share some tips on how to manage your storage. Let's see how to get more storage with iCloud Plus. In Settings, tap your name and then tap iCloud. Here you can see how much space you are using. If you want to subscribe to iCloud Plus, tap Manage Storage. Then tap Upgrade or Change Storage Plan depending on your current iCloud uses. You can select the plan that's right for you and follow the prompts to upgrade. If you are new to iCloud Plus, you will get new features like private relay, hide my email, and expanded HomeKit secure video support. You can also manage your iCloud storage by deleting files and documents you no longer need. When you delete something in iCloud, it's deleted across all your synced devices. Before you start, be sure to make a copy either on your computer or an external hard drive of anything you plan on deleting in iCloud but want to save. In your iCloud storage settings, you will see your apps using iCloud listed by the amount of space they take up. You can use this as a reference to help you decide what to remove, like duplicate pictures and videos. In the Photos apps, iCloud Drive documents you no longer need in the Files app and attachments from conversations. Let's look at some ways you can manage your iCloud storage. With more room, you can add more of the photos, videos, and documents you need. To learn more about how to use your iPhone or iPad, support to the Apple Info YouTube channel or click another video. Keep watching.